to Junction 9161. This is where the museum's most iconic exhibit sits, the train. There's lots to do when you visit Junction 9161. Explore the train, the engine, storyline, but there is one very familiar and very popular hands-on exhibit right here, the digger. This digger has been at the museum since 1994. It was so popular that in 2011, when we did the renovation, we kept it and gave it a refresh. It remains a very popular exhibit with kids and dads alike. This is an actual, real, working cat digger. It gets inspected by Tormont Cat each year during our weekly maintenance closure. Here you can learn how the levers make the scoop move in all directions. This is great for practicing your hand-eye coordination and learning about cause and effect. There are over 300 pounds of recycled tires inside the enclosure. How many can you move around? Don a hard hat and safety vest next time you're in, and play the role of a construction worker at the train yard, maybe making room for another big train to come through.